everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to see how to reconcile a customer's partial payment against multiple invoices in Odoo 90. So basically, this is a very common real life scenario where a customer pays a single amount for multiple invoices and we need to match it correctly, right? Yeah, in some cases, the customer is actually not willing to pay the full amount of the invoice that we are created. So how we can reconcile them using a simple method? Let me show you that. Before moving on to there, I'm going to create a new customer. Let's head over to the customer. Here I just opened the accounting modules dashboard. Okay. From yourself, I'm going to create a new customer, which is called Tessa. Okay. It's a person. So once I'm done with that, I'm just not going to give any kind of information about Tessa, just giving the name of Tessa. Okay. I just created Tessa here and moving on to the customers, and I'm going to create multiple invoices. So let's create multiple invoices starting from the customer name, adding Tessa. Once I'm just done with that, let me add a line. I'm going to sell the product, which is a chair, to Tessa. Okay. So the quantity is basically 1 here, and I want to update the price of that chair. So the price of the chair is basically $2,000. Okay. It's 2000, or you can either create it's 1000. Okay. Now it's 2000. Once I'm done with that, here Tessa has actually need two quantity of the product, and actual cost is 4000. So once I'm done with that, the invoice date is basically today onwards. It's the due date March 26. Okay, now I'm going to confirm this. So it's moved from the draft to the post stage. And I'm going to duplicate the same invoice. Okay, duplicate it. So there you can see the same customer, which is Tessa, but I'm going to add more quantity. Okay. So here I'm just going to add the quantity, which is, okay, 4. And if I add that, we have 8000. So 8000 plus 4000 is basically 12,000, right? So let me confirm this. So we have just created multiple invoices to the customer, which is Tessa. So, okay, let me give you an example like this. Like Tessa just called me and said that she is only willing to pay 10,000 as a partial amount for each of this invoices, and she will pay later 2000. So how we can reconcile this? I'll show you. We have just created two invoices. Moving on to the invoices back, we didn't even created a payment. Okay, there we have two invoices. Now you can see it. One with 8000 and 4000. It's totally 12,000. Moving on to the dashboard itself, we need to create a transaction by clicking on the transaction. I'm just going to create a new one with this date 26. Going to write the label, which is partial payment. Okay. Payment from customer. So once I'm done with that, I want to add the partner, which is Tessa. I just added the partner, and Tessa is only willing to pay how much amount? 10,000. So I'm just provided the amount that she is willing to pay. Now let's add and close. After onwards, let's say we need to reconcile it with two of the invoices. So let me move on to the reconciliation state, and now you can see the two invoices that we have created, with one of 8000 and next one is with 4000. Okay. So here I'm going to select this two of them. Moving on to there, and I'm just selected this. Okay. So it's created like this. Okay. We just got 10,000. We just created the reconciliation with 10,000, but now you can see from one it's taker 4000, it's fully invoiced, and from one it's partially invoiced, but we need to create this two invoices as partially paid. Okay, so now here I'm moving on to this, and I'm going to add, like, there we have 4000, but here I'm just taking this as 3000. Okay, 3000. I can simply edit that. Now let's hit the save button, and now you can see the fully invoiced thing is just completely moved as 3000, and I'm just clicking on there and going to edit this as well. So next one is in 6000, right? So here I'm just adding this as 7000. So 7,000 plus 3,000 is equal to 10,000. I'm going to save this. So basically this invoice is from 8,000. Let me save this. After onwards, this particular two invoices are partially paid one. I'll show you out actually reflecting on your invoice session. We have just created the reconciliation of 10,000 with these two of them. Moving on to the customers and under the invoices, now we can check that. So these both of our invoices are created as partially paid and we just created a reconciliation against of this invoices as well. So that's how simply you can create them using this simple method. And if you have this real life scenario inside your company, you can use this. Okay. So I hope you all understood this video. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends. I'll be back with another kind of tutorials like this tricks and everything, tips and tricks. So till that, bye bye.